I've just arrived on my flight from London, one of the 80 destinations that has a direct connection to Valencia, the world's best city for expats and also one of the best places in the world for assisting and organising events. Welcome to Valencia.
Did you know that Valencia has more than 300 days of sun per year, more than 5 million square meters of green spaces, and a multitude of open areas for events? Valencia is the first city in the world to certify its tourist activities' carbon and water footprint. According to a recent study, Valencia is the best city in the world because of its urban life, green lungs, social life and great weather.
Santiago Calatrava, Norman Foster, Felix Candela, Catherine Gustafson, David Chipperfield and Fermín Vázquez are some of the most renowned architects that have created some of the most cutting-edge spaces in the city of Valencia.